We'll say that I have a lotus pond and there are a lot of lotuses or loti in the pond, and when we begin the puzzle, it's not really relevant of how many lotuses are there at present, but let us just say for the sake of simplicity that at the 0th minute, so when the time starts at the 0th minute, there's just one lotus in my pond, and in the next minute the number of lotuses or loti double. So at the end of first minute we'll have two lotuses. It will just double from the number before. So if there were one lotus, then this will become two lotuses, and at the end of second minute one more minute goes by and both the lotuses would double. The number of lotuses, the total number of lotuses would double, and we'll have four lotuses in total. So these are four lotuses in the pond, and at the end of third minute, you guessed it right, there will be a whopping 8 number of lotuses. All these 4 lotuses will double. So however many lotuses are there in the pond are going to double, and there will be 8 lotuses. So my diagram doesn't fit in there, but assume that there will be 8 lotuses inside the pond. So my question is, if the pond is full of lotuses at 1 hour, so after 1 hour the pond cannot fit any more lotuses and it is full. So what would have been the time when the pond was half full, or at which minute will the pond have been half full? So I hope you pause the video and think about it, and I welcome you back after you have had a good thought about this. So one might be tempted to say that, well, the number of lotuses are doubling each minute, so maybe at half an hour time the pond was half full. So at 30 minutes time the pond would have been half full. So my concern is, what would happen in the 31st minute then? So in the 31st minute the pond that was half full will double, the number of lotuses would double, and now the pond will be 2 times half full, that is, it will be full. But it has been full only in the first hour, that is the 60th minute. So the answer would actually be, the pond was half full in the 59th minute. Only then it would have been able to be full in the 60-minute mark. So I hope you found this puzzle interesting. Thank you.